Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn how to create a team in Monday.com, your ultimate guide for 2025. So let's dive right in. First, log into your Monday.com account. It's important to remember your login details so you can easily access the platform when needed. Now that we're in, navigate to the left-hand sidebar and click on the avatar icon. This is our gateway to creating a new team. Once you've clicked the avatar icon, go ahead and select Team Directory. This is where all your current teams, if any, will be listed. With that done, click on Add New. Here's where you get to create a new team from scratch. It's a key step because it allows you to customize your team according to your specific needs and preferences. Type in your chosen team name and hit Create Team. The reason we do this is to establish your team's identity on the platform. Now, go ahead and invite members to your team by typing their email addresses and then click Invite. This helps us because it ensures the right people are added to your team, making collaboration more effective. Finally, customize your team settings. You can choose the team's color and even add a description. This step is important because it helps to make your team easily identifiable and provides clarity to its members about the team's purpose. And voila, you've successfully created a team in Monday.com. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and create as many teams as needed. Until next time.